So in filmmaking, actually, a lot of graphics, a lot of CGI has been used. But now, in the advancement of AI, different companies like Google recently launched its filmmaking AI powered with VO3. So that means it will use all the softwares, whatever is required, necessary. It put it in the AI and it will create. It also consult with the AI teams, filmmakers, and all, like different, like director of product management, Google defined, and some creative labs, some filmmakers also, they have created, co-created some kind of infrastructure for creating the movie. So that is called the creative inflow. If you see here they have created few things in the VO3. So here what happens, it given the prompt, and after that, whatever that the print clothes in the jellyfish underwater, so some prompts it has given, it will just click on the answer, then it will create something. So here, if you see, it cut from the half. Whatever the video is created, that person also added one prompt. It extended from where Nasi arrives to a home, a celebration in the street. If you'll see here. So you saw, right? Means whatever the things we have seen here. So all those details, whatever they have developed, all these basic because of the prompts. So we have given the prompts here, and after that, all those kind of movies and all, it is created. And if you see the clarity, the quality of the movie, the kind of without distortion and all those kind of a very good way of representation and all. So the key features to unlock your storytelling, what are the main important aspect of this is camera controls. So you need to master your shot, directly control the camera motions, angles, and perspective. There is a screen scene builder, right? So in scene builder, so seamlessly you can edit or extend your existing shot. You can give, as you have already seen, we can give some prompt, and after that it can extend that. Then asset management, so it will organize continuously, as it is a AI we are dealing with, so it will automatically organize all those things. Even it will fill up the gaps and all. And the most important thing is that it is creating all those sounds, the background noise, background sounds, and also if required there will be kind of AI voice editing and all, everything will be there. So in the Flow TV it has given, but it will not be accessible in India now. Means it will be accessible in US, they are launching in US, and later point of time it will come to different rest part of the world. So if you see here, so they have given the camera control, one example here, astronaut leave the kind of bridge. So if you see the camera control, it is going off, so that is a camera control functionality they have given. So what they are doing means they are also doing the collaboration with the filmmaker, like Dave Clark is a doing filmmaker. So he has created this video. If you see this video, just have a look how good it is. So till now means Google VO3 and also Flow, it is not launched in India. Once it will launched in India, we will definitely show you some good videos by making it from our end, by giving good prompts and all, and how we will give the prompts. So that's all for today, guys. Please try to subscribe our channel, and stay tuned for happening in the all the part of the AI world. Till then, take care and bye bye.